people. It's time, Pyros, for another safe and sane demo for you. But before we get to the firework, say hello to the man holding the firework, the one, the only. Say hello to Sergeant Pyro.
Hello.
Sergeant Pyro, what in the world are you holding on to tonight?
We've got a Vikings act from Miracle Fireworks.
Whoa! Now, we're going to have Ziggy zoom out a little bit. And if we're going to come down here, you can see this thing is pretty cool. Yeah. Whoa! All right, Sergeant Pyro has on his evening plaid, as you could all see. And is there any performance on this, Sergeant Pyro?
No, sir.
Oh, this looks so cool. And it looks like we light it on the top. Yeah, it looks like there's going to be two flames shooting out of it, potentially maybe a third. I don't know. If you know, you could let me know ahead of the demo in the comments, or just sit back and let us know if you like it. Sergeant Pyro, do you think Ziggy's going to like this tonight?
Yes.
Whoa! All right. And by the way, everybody, Ziggy's here. Say hello to Ziggy. All right, Sergeant Pyro, the question of the evening is, are you ready to take the Vikings axe out to the street pad and light fuse and get away? Yeah. Let's go! All right, Sergeant Pyro, light the axe. Whew, medieval times here. Okay, we're gonna zoom out a little bit. Whoa! Whoa! Sergeant, hold it out a little bit further, Sergeant Pyro. We don't want to get your nose in it. There we go. All right. Whoa!
All right.
Yeah.
Wasn't expecting that.
Well, let's see, it's doing something here. There we go. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! What a delay that was!
Yeah.
Whoa, does that light things up?
Yes, it does.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, those Vikings knew how to party! There we go!